What's up guys, Dynamic Tech here. Welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great, and as you read on the title, this video is about how to make a totally free website from Blogger and earn money from it. So let me tell you about the Blogger. It is a free platform where you can create your own content like blogs, texts, images and videos. It is a free platform like YouTube, Facebook and Instagram where you can post and earn money from them. So without wasting time, let's start the tutorial. Okay, so first of all, open your browser and here in the search bar, search for blogger.com and you will see Blogger's official website like this. And as I told you before, choose your perfect design and it will give you a free domain to create a website, and you can also earn money from the Blogger. Now come above and you will see here a button saying create your blog. Click on it, or you can either click on sign in button. Now sign in to Blogger with your Google account. After signing in, you will see a dashboard like this. As you all can see, I have already created a blog with the name of PC tips and tricks, and you can also watch this blog for additional information about my channel and contents I create on YouTube and Blogger. So let's come back, and if you want to create a new blog, then you have to select this option, and from here click on new blog right here and name the title of your blog whatever you want. For example, I'm gonna title it tech blog like this, and I'm gonna click on next. And now we have to give it a domain which is totally free with the subdomain of .blogspot.com. so I'm gonna choose techie blog domain for my website, but this is already taken. Okay, my domain name is right now created and there are no posts here. So the first step we're gonna make is select a theme for our blog which shows our profile and blog which type of this blog is. So I'm gonna select Emporio for example, and you can also customize your theme as your way, and you will be headed to a theme customizer. Here you will see how will your blog look like after applying the theme. So from here click on this save button and then head back and then click on apply to apply this new theme. Let's check how our blog looks like, and as you all can see, the blog looks like this way. There is right now no content, so we cannot see what is on the blog or website right now. So after selecting a theme, the next thing you're gonna do is post something to check the theme. So I'm gonna post anything like text or anything, and after creating a new post you will see a WordPad type application here. Create your blog and then click on publish to publish it on your blog, and let's see how our blog looks like. And it looks like this. As I told you before, I selected the theme and created a post and it looks like this. If you want to change your theme, you can also change it later after creating a post or after creating so many posts. I'm gonna select Soho Black for example. I'm gonna apply it on my blog and let's view the blog. As you all can see, the theme is completely changed now, and this is my content showing here. The next thing we're gonna do is go to layout, and here are the tips for getting your blog approved by Google AdSense to earn money by applying ads on it, you have to create pages like privacy policy, terms and conditions, and contact us, like I have created on my PC tips and tricks blogs. Let me show you. I'm gonna view my blog, and as you all can see, I have created these little pages with the name of privacy policy and terms and condition, and here is my contact us form. So this is very easy to make on Blogger. All you have to do is go to layout, and here you can see I have created this pages option here, this pages option, and here I have linked two posts with the name of terms and conditions and privacy policy, and then I saved them. Let me show you these posts here. I created these pages. Okay, so these were pages, not posts. As you all can see, there are pages with the names of terms and conditions and privacy policy, and if you want to add contact us form, then you can simply add it by adding a gadget. Click on add a gadget, and here you will see a contact us form. Okay, so here you will see a contact form gadget in the below, and click on it to add it to your blog and save as the name as I saved with the name of contact us, and then click on save, and let's view it on our blog. Okay, as you all can see, this was hidden in the 3 lines here, and if you want to change its position, you can also do that with the layout. Let's head back to the layout, and here you are watching your contact us information in the sidebar. It is very important to see where you are having your content in the specific place. So I'm gonna change it from sidebar to the page body. So pick it up and drop it in the page body, and then click on save button, and this way you change the layout of your posts, pages, and more gadgets, widgets like this. And after saving the changes, view your blog, and it will be applied on the page of the blog. As I told you before, it is now on the body blog, and if you want to change it to the footer, you can also do that. Select the contact us form, drop this on the footer, click on save button, let it save. Now view your blog, and it is saved in the footer option. The next thing we're gonna do is click on the earnings here. Yes, Blogger gives you an option created by it for earning for Google AdSense. Click on this, and you will be redirected to an option saying to connect with Google AdSense. From here, click on connect to Google AdSense, and you will be headed to the Google AdSense website. Go to Google AdSense website, and here, as you all can see, you can attach your website with the Google AdSense here. My sites are right now review in Google, and I have created this blog and a WordPress website with the Google AdSense. So you can also add these websites with Google AdSense by selecting this data AdSense code and by pasting it to your website's source. This is the way how we can earn money from Blogger and make a free blog and new posts from Blogger. And if you want to add meta description and meta tags for SEO optimization, then you can head to the settings option, and here you will see a description option. Click on it, and here you can create your own blog's description for SEO optimization. And by heading down, you will see an option with the name of meta tags. Click on enable search description, and here you can add your own desired tags like tech for my tech blog and PC tips and tricks for my first blog. As you all can see, type here the keywords you want to change on your website for SEO optimization, and then click on save, and this will save them here for you, and your website will be shown on these keywords. Thank you so much for watching the whole video. Hope you guys understood and found the video helpful, and if you did, then give it a thumbs up, and if you're new on the channel, then subscribe my channel. Also turn on the bell notification to get all the updates, and also let me know in the comments what you think about this video. See you in the next video. Stay safe.